Hello everyone, my name is Sameeksha Upadhyay. I am currently pursuing B.Tech in Electrical Engineering and I am in 6th semester. Today is 25th March 2025 and today I am going to show you how to log in AWS Console and make new instances and operate it on PuTTY. So let us get started.
So for logging in to AWS console, we have to search for AWS console login. Here in the right corner, we have to click on sign in to the console. We're going to sign in using root user email. Here we're going to put our email. We're going to sign in. Now we have been signed in to our AWS console. For making an instance or launching an instance, we have to search for EC2, which stands for Elastic Cloud Compute. In EC2, we are going to open the dashboard where we can see all the resources which we have, instances, security groups, key pairs, and everything. For launching instance, we have to click on Launch Instance. Here we have to give the name to our instance. For example, my instance. Now we have to give our application a OS image. So for today's video, we're going to sticking on to Amazon Linux. We're going to give it an Amazon Linux AWS. Here, instance type, we're going to keep it T2 micro. We have a lot of instance type, but we are going to keep it today T2 micro. Now we have to give a key pair. For key pair, we can give the key pairs which we already have, or we can create a new key pair. For creating a new pair, we can say key pair 1, and we're going to create a private key file format in .ppk for use with PuTTY. Create a new key. It's been created. Now we have to give a security group. For security group, we can select an existing one or we can create a new one. Here we are creating a new one. Configuration storage will keep it as it is. Here we can see the summary of our instance. We can create more than one instance in a go. Here we are creating just one instance, but if we have to create multiple instances in one go, we can create it as well. Now launching an instance. Our instance has successfully launched. Now we're going to see our instance. So here is our instance, my instance. By clicking on instance ID to see the details of the instance. Here we can see that we have a public IP address, private IP address, instance type. It has all the summary of our instance which we have created. From here, we are going to copy the public IP address and going to open PuTTY. Here we are going to paste the host name or the IP address. We are going to click on SSH, oath, credential. Here we have to put the private key file. So it is key pair 1. We are putting it here, opening it, accepting. Here we have to log in as. So we are logging as EC2 user. We have been logged in. Here we can see our present working directory by putting the Linux commands. So we are currently in /home/EC2 user. From here we can give the Linux commands as we have studied in our previous videos. Like if we have to create a directory, we can use a command as mkdir my directory 1. It's been created. We can see it by using ls list. This command is used to view the content of the list. Here we can see that we have created a new directory. For creating a new file, we can use a command as touch my file 1. This is created. Now for removing directory, we can use mkdir my direct 1. It's been removed. This is so simple. We can go into a directory also. Like first we'll create a directory and then go inside the directory. mkdir my direct. Now we have to go into this directory. So we're going to use a command change directory command, which is cd my direct. Now, if we're going to give a command pwd, we'll see that we are currently in my directory. Now, for clearing all window, we can use a command clear. It's been cleared. This is how we can operate an instance on PuTTY. Now, coming on to how to sign out of our AWS console. So go on the right side. Here it's our name, Sameeksha. Like for mine, you have to click on sign out. And we are out of AWS console.